Ever wondered what happens when copper meets nitric acid? Today, we unravel this mystery and explore the beautiful science behind it. This experiment is a classic example of a chemical reaction, showcasing the incredible power of chemistry. First, we need a few simple things: a strip of copper, nitric acid, and a glass beaker. Remember, always approach this experiment with caution, as nitric acid is highly corrosive and can cause severe burns. Wearing appropriate safety gear is non-negotiable. The first step commences with placing the copper strip into the glass beaker. Watch closely, because what happens next is truly fascinating. Secondly, we slowly pour nitric acid into the beaker. As the nitric acid comes into contact with the copper, an immediate reaction occurs. The solution starts to bubble and change color, turning into a vibrant hue of blue-green. This reaction happens because nitric acid is an oxidizing agent. It pulls electrons away from the copper, causing it to oxidize. The copper, now stripped of its electrons, reacts with the nitric acid to form copper nitrate, a blue-green compound, and nitrogen dioxide, a brown gas. The third step is to observe this reaction. You'll notice a brown gas escaping from the beaker. That's nitrogen dioxide, a byproduct of this reaction. This gas is toxic, so always ensure the experiment is conducted in a well-ventilated area or under a fume hood. The final step is to let the reaction run its course. As the copper continues to react with the nitric acid, the solution will turn increasingly blue-green. Once all the copper has reacted, the process ends. What we are left with is a beaker full of copper nitrate solution. So what have we learned from this mesmerizing experiment? When copper and nitric acid meet, they undergo a chemical reaction, resulting in copper nitrate and nitrogen dioxide. The reaction is a visual spectacle, with the solution changing color and gas being produced. This experiment not only gives us a glimpse of the fascinating world of chemical reactions, but also teaches us about oxidation and the nature of reactive agents. It's a beautiful symphony of science, unfolding right before our eyes. In the realm of chemistry, every reaction tells a story. The story of copper and nitric acid is one of transformation, showing us that even in the microcosm of a beaker, extraordinary things can happen.